Hey everybody, welcome back to Chill Dad Reviews. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Govee Envisual TV LED Backlight T2, and I'm probably just going to call it the Govee T2 for the rest of this video just to make it easier on myself and to save time. If you're looking to add some more immersion and upgrade your TV viewing experience, then you're definitely in the right place. Keep watching this video so you can get all the details. At the time of recording this video, the Govee T2 costs $139 on Amazon, and sometimes there's even coupons and you can probably find it even cheaper. This model is only meant for 55-inch to 65-inch TVs, and it also works with Google Home and Alexa. Now, this is the second generation, hence the T2, which is a dual camera system, which is supposed to provide a lot more clarity and accurate color matching. The camera will mount on top of your TV with a gravity mechanism. Essentially, the tail end piece is really weighted and it'll balance itself out once you set it on top of your TV. It does have a controller box that you'll use to connect everything with some limited function buttons and some orange foam pieces for calibrating the cameras. All of the connectors are USB Type-C. The power adapter is about 1.5 inches thick, so you'll definitely want to make sure you have enough room behind your TV. You'll also get some alcohol pads and then some little mini clips. With this kit, you'll get 11.8 feet of RGBIC LED strip. This equates to about 60 LEDs per meter, which has 3M double-sided tape on one side, and then on the other side, you have all of those LEDs coated in a clear silicone-like casing. It seems really strong and sturdy. Now, the installation is pretty simple and straightforward. The worst part is you'll need to take off your TV if you have it mounted on the wall. I laid the TV on the bed and then planned out how I was going to run the LED strip. You know, how close you want it to the edge. Definitely don't want to put it too close because you don't want it to be visible, but close enough so that obviously you can get those nice, beautiful colors spewing out on the back of the TV. Now, I will say I installed this on a 50-inch TV and finagled it. It's meant for 55-inch to 65-inch TVs, like I said in the beginning, but I wasn't going to buy a bigger TV just for the sake of installing this. You'll notice I used some additional straps to kind of hold and keep everything tidy on all the corners. This is because I had extra slack since it's not a 55-inch TV. And partly because of the clips they give you are trash. Their glue is very weak and it doesn't really hold well. Quick tip here, make sure you test and pair the LED lights before you hang your TV back up. This way you can make sure there's no issues, and you will need to press the power button on that little control box. You'll have to download and install the Govee app on your smartphone if you want to unlock all the features. You'll add the device just by searching the model number, and then it'll use Bluetooth to find that nearby device. Once it's all paired up and you connect it to your Wi-Fi, you'll jump right into the calibration. It'll first ask you to verify the light strip direction. You can install this in different ways, so they want to make sure it is the correct orientation. Once you complete that, it'll ask you to install those little orange foam pieces around your TV. This is where you're really going to be able to do that calibration and then point to each of the corners and then match up those orange foam pieces with the camera. I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't use those orange foam pieces. I just used my best judgment to match up the corners of the TV to where I thought it was viewing on the camera. Now, there's a lot of customizations and features you can do within the app. I'm not going to go through everything, but I'm just going to show you the main stuff. The movie watching dream view is going to let you sync up multiple devices. So let's say you have a theater room and you have a bunch of LEDs. You can have everything match up to how it's viewing on the TV. The effects lab is pretty much what it sounds like. It's like a creator lab, and you can pick a bunch of different types of color schemes and create your own type of style. And you can adjust the brightness right here on this slider. And here are the different modes that you can switch through. Then finally here on the bottom, you have relative brightness, color calibration, and then these three essentially is how the colors will kind of blend all together. So right now, if you see, I have this set as solid, so everything's going to be the same color all around. And then if I switch to here vivid, and then it's going to give it a little more colors all mixed together. The app is really easy to use, but it does offer that in-depth customization if that's what you're looking for. All right, I'm going to incept your mind here with a little double video inception, but if you're wondering what this TV is and why it looks so great, I actually did a review on this TV a few months back. This is a Samsung 50-inch QLED TV, and I will put that link up above and in the description if you want to check it out. And lastly, guys, if you're enjoying this video, please do me a solid, consider subscribing, smash that like button, put some comments below. It'll really help my channel out, and let's continue with this video. All right, so we covered all the basics of the Govee T2, so now let's go into how it looks and how it performs. Personally, I think it looks great. The colors change almost instantaneously from scene to scene, and the colors are almost one-to-one. I mean, you can see it in these clips. I mean, it kind of speaks for itself. It definitely gives your TV an upgrade, and I love using this when I'm watching movies. Do you absolutely need to have this? No, of course not. Half half the things we own we don't need. However, if you have some extra money laying around, you have a gift card or whatever case may be, then absolutely, yes, pick one up. You won't be disappointed, and it's a nice little add-on for your TV. And just remember, these colors are all dependent on that dual camera system and what it's capturing on the TV. So if there's any weird lighting conditions in your room or any interferences, like you have some kid sticking a crayon or something in the view, then obviously you're going to have a different experience. You're not going to get a really accurate color. And if you're not a fan of this whole dual camera system mounted on top of the TV, Govee does offer another solution. It's like an HDMI 4K syncing box that you plug your devices in. I don't have any big gripes with the Govee T2 besides the clips that I talked about before that are kind of worthless and they don't hold anything. And also that 3M double-sided tape that's on the LED strip is also starting to peel a little bit. If you can see here in this video, it's coming up just a little bit on some areas. Nothing major. I kind of just push it back down, but it's holding. It works. We're reaching the end of this video and I don't really have anything else to share with you about the Govee T2 other than if you're interested in this product, I will put the link in the description. And if you do decide to purchase this using my link, it does help support the channel at no cost to you. And don't forget to check out my other two channels, Chill Dad Gaming and Chill Dad Lifestyle, for some more great free content. And you can find those links in the description. All right, everybody, I'm out of here. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you on the next one.